Hello, welcome to another RiderCamTV video, and in this glorious video in Cornwall, we've got a bit of blue up there, look.
Bit of blue, daffodils.
Bit of grey. It's wonderful. It's so warm here.
No, it's not.
It's not. However, got something really good to talk about now. You would have seen, he's given it away already.
Missed that bit then. Got something good to talk about, have we?
Yeah, so we got something really good to talk about. So you would have remembered on a couple of videos back, Bumot gave us these lovely boxes, or sent these boxes for us to review.
Bumot?
Bumot.
Made for the brave?
Yeah, I'm not sure we're as brave as we could be, are we? But we are out here in like 4-degree temperature, so we are brave. They have also sent us these, look. I know.
What is it?
Well, I shall show you how cavernous these boxes are. Hello! Now this is where I take out my light stand like Mary Poppins, but...
Okay.
One, two...
There's not a rabbit in there, is it?
Three, look at that. Look, I can get my whole head in this bag.
Idiot.
These are... If I can get them around, these are tailor-made pannier bags made by Bumot. Really simple little thing, but they're made of those, I'm going to read it because I can't say it right.
Cordura
fabric. It's durable, versatile and reliable apparently. But what I really like about it is this is the top box bag. So that is shaped for the top box. It's got one zip at the top, goes all the way around.
Actually fits a helmet in.
It does. And it's a substantial zip as well, which is really nice, because a lot of these bags, the cheaper ones that you can buy, have really flimsy zips, and the zip holder is really big. So thinking about wearing your motorbike gloves, getting in there really quickly, you can grab hold of them really quickly. And it's got a handle, so when it's filled up, you can go on your merry way.
Wow. Is that a demonstration of you on your merry way?
Yeah.
How weird is that?
It fits just right in here, look.
Well, you would imagine it would.
Yeah, but what I really like about them is when you open it, the flap goes out to the side, so then you can load everything in, and then away you go. Really good. In the bottom, there's come in, have a look inside, Matt. There's like a harder plastic bottom as well, so if you do put anything in there, it's not going to poke through. Really lovely bit of kit. Then they have two other bags. Now one of them is slightly angled because of the cutout.
It's really hard to show that actually.
Yeah, really hard. But this bag actually opens, so come around this way a little bit, Mark. This bag, the flap actually opens, almost like one of those welly boot bags, isn't it? Where you can sit it up on a table, load it up in your house, zip it up, and then come back out to your panniers after it's zipped, obviously. Open your thing, two massive straps, and then just lower it in.
Amazing.
But on top of that,
is that another bag I see there?
Another bag. So in the lids, very kindly, they put in the two pannier lids, or the two side lids, these brackets, which are all fitted at the factory, but you can get these, I think, as an aftermarket thing. And they literally just bolt through there. They're just bolts with, what do they call them? Like nylon
nuts. Nylock nuts.
Nylock nuts, are they?
Yeah.
But this little bag, you might think it's thin and what's the point in that, but when you look at this pannier, there's a good 2-3 inches of wasted space in there if you didn't have anything in it. So they make these tailored bags, little handles so you can walk off your business meeting.
Document bags really, aren't they?
Yeah, so you know, who needs a briefcase when you've got a Bumot bag? But in that you've got a front pocket, so I would put things like maps and stuff like that you need really quick access to, and it's got, like the other ones, a massive flap.
A big flap.
A big flap, but inside there's lots of these little compartments that you can put different things, pens,
Your
whatever you
shotgun
wanna put in there.
cartridges.
Yeah, shotgun cartridges. You've also got another little pouch in there with a bit of Velcro, but you can also lift it underneath there and you've got another pouch as well.
Brilliant.
So when it's fitted in like that, you can get all of your stuff, zip it back up. Obviously it's better when there's stuff in it because it's not so floppy. And then put your clip back over and shut your box and everything's secure.
That is amazing.
I love it. Everything about these Bumot boxes and the bags and the way that the bags are made, the fact that they've got handles so you can carry stuff around, godsend. On the top box, when I'm going away on tour, the side boxes have got all of my clothes, gadgets and stuff in. Top box, usually empty, and I use this for the ferry.
Daytime stuff.
Well, the daytime, but the first and the last day of the tour is on the ferry. So I pack what I need in the ferry, put it in there, ride on the ferry, park the bike up, take the whole bag with me into the room, leave everything else because what's the point?
I think they're called cabins on ships, mate. Room.
You know, you've not been on those posh ferries.
They're still called cabins, mate.
So I go into the cabin, take my bag, got everything I need, and you've just got one bag. You see so many people on the ferries struggling with bags and bags and bags of stuff. I just think that one, it just makes it so much easier. And with the handle, you can just waltz on.
Waltz on.
Wonderful.
So like Strictly Come Dancing.
Yeah, so thank you to Bumot for sending them. We'll be doing a couple of videos when we go touring again later in the year, see how we get on with them. I'm sure they'll be fine because they're really, really well made bags that fit the panniers. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, it'll be there somewhere. Check out Bumot, their link will be in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.